What's up, everybody? It's your old pal Chef Billy here, and today I am making smash burgers. Now, keep in mind, of course, I'm not a professional chef or anything. I don't even really know how to make smash burgers, but I'm just going by what I've seen on YouTube and stuff. So, yeah, let's get cooking. Alright, I got the Blackstone heating up right now. Check out our cool little grilling area. Very cool.
Ozzy Osbourne.
Right, so the Blackstone is hot. Now it's time to start frying. Oh yes. Kinda smashed, I guess, I don't know. Gotta get the cheese, man. Yeah. Alright, there's my first batch so far. As you can see, they're pretty lame-ass looking. But something tells me these two are gonna take the cake. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? Alright, so here's the finished result. So you can see some of them are pretty small. Not as flat as I hoped, but also got a couple that look really perfect. I mean, either way, for my first try, you know, it wasn't that bad. Anyway, got my burger made. Got 2 patties with some onion and pickles, and even in between the buns. And of course, some ketchup and mustard. Time for a taste test. Here we go. Best rock and roll burgers in town right here. Hope you like what you saw. And if so, give me a like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time.